Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stalker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the shuff command. It's a command that shuffles the content of a text file so that you'll see the lines in random order. So to demonstrate, I created a file with a list of names, and here's the beginning of the file, the first 8 lines. Now, if I use the shuff command and then look at the top 8 lines, you'll notice that they come out in a fairly random order, and if I run the same command again, the order is different. And of course doesn't matter what the file is, so I figured I'd show some girls' names as well, and basically you get the same effect. The lines are just ordered randomly, and that can be very convenient sometimes. Well, that is your Linux tip for the shuff command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.